Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn about formatted output using print statement. Again, consider the same example where we want to store the name of the country and population of the country. Here, we will declare the variable and initialize the values like this. To get the formatted output, we will write print and in double quotes, we will write population of %s is %d crores. And after closing the double quotes, we will write % and then in round brackets, we will specify the variable names. Before we understand this statement, let's run our code. This is our output. So what we have done? Here, we have used formatting characters or placeholders instead of specifying the variable. And we have mentioned the variables after the % symbol in round brackets over here. There are different formatting characters for different data types. %s for string, %d for integer, %f for float, and %c for character. Always remember, the formatting character or placeholder has to be in quotes, and then the variable name enclosed in the round brackets in order separated by the % symbol. This is the general syntax of formatted output. Print and then in quotes we have our text and formats, and after the % symbol we will have our variables in round brackets. Let's take one more example to understand the formatted output. In this example we will have three variables: name equal to Rajesh in quotes, then age equal to 45 and height equal to 5.6. Here name is a string, age is an integer and height is a decimal. Let's print this. We will write print and then inside print we will write Mr. %s is %d years old. His height is %f feet. And then write % as a separator over here. And then in round brackets we will write name of variables. Please make sure that order is same as the formatter. Let's run the program. We got the output. But there is a small problem over here. Look at the height. It's saying 5.60000. Here Python is giving accuracy till the 6th decimal. We can reduce this decimal places by formatting. In the print statement, instead of %f, we will write %.2f. Let's run the code again. Well, we got the desired output. Here, %.2f says that print 2 decimal after rounding of the values. Suppose instead of %.2f, we write %.0f, then no decimal will be printed and the value will get rounded off. Let's run the code. You see here the value of 5.6 is rounded off to 6. Please remember, round off is done to the closest whole number. That is 5.2 will be converted to 5 and 5.7 will be converted to 6. Let's look at the different types of formatting. Suppose the value is 120, that is int, and we use the format %10d. Then our output will be 10-digit values. Since our value is 120, 7 spaces will be left blank and text will come on the right side, that is right justified. Let's look at the output. Suppose we write %-10d, then we will have left justification. Suppose we want to print 2.683 and we use %f, then we will have value up to 6 decimal. If we use %.2f, then we will have only 2 decimals. Now, if the value is 2.683 and we use the format %7.2f, then we will have this output. Here 7 means total digit to print, or we can say total space allocated to printing. And out of 7, 2 spaces are reserved for decimal digit and 1 space for decimal point. The remaining 4 places will be given to the integer part of the data. Here is the complete list of samples. I think the best way to understand formatted output is to practice very hard. All practice examples are available at this URL. Don't worry if you find any difficulties. We will revise and study them again as more examples come in. This was just an introduction of formatted output. We will be using all different formats in the coming session. So, thanks for watching and please practice well.